So if you want the ultimate sled, here it is, the 2026 Polaris 850 Titan Ultimate Adventure. This thing is the do-all of everything. So with our 850 power plant, we got tons of power out of it. Also, the sweet thing with the Titan is we get a rad up front. So in those low snow conditions, you also get the cooling out of the radiator, which is awesome, especially for this customer that's looking for a workhorse or something that's going through the bush and need that extra flotation. Being the Ultimate, you also get the 7S display in here. So our 7S is our full GPS and navigation system, as well as tons of other features, smart warmers, group ride. There's lots in it. We also get our high and low range in the transmission. So nice and easy movement between high and low, and then reverse is also in the transmission. Electric start, and we also get our recoil backup, which is awesome, especially if you're out in the bush and for some reason the battery decides to go, we still have a pull start to get it started up. Cool thing with the Titan is everything can be on and off in seconds. So as far as the seat goes, so if you're not riding with the 2-up seat and you want to take it off, a couple clips, slide back, and it's out of there. We also get, on the Titan Adventure, a big ass cargo box. So this thing is massive and comes on and off in seconds as well. So now you're left with a huge storage area. So if you're fishing, trapping, anything like that, you got tons of room to set it up. And like I said, it's nice and easy to go back in seconds. So it's all rigged back up. You also get a lot of towing capacity, so you can put a hitch on the back. And probably the coolest thing, well, the whole sled's cool, but a really cool feature that the Polaris has is our Backtrack 20 rear suspension. So what is the Backtrack 20? If you look at the rear angle, the back of the suspension is angled upward to give you that flotation when you're backing up versus it just digging into the snow. So it's on a spring system that it'll articulate, but definitely going off trail, 20-inch flotation, nice and wide, and easy to back up and get you out of those sticky situations. Another awesome feature that the Ultimate has, or these new Titans, is the removable snow flap. So these little tabs here, you just pull them up and you can pull this snow flap right off. So when you're backing up, again, you got even more snow clearing ability and you don't have the snow flap getting in your way. Putting it back on nice and easy as well, just get into the groove, slide across, and it locks itself into place and it ain't going nowhere. So if you're looking for the biggest workhorse, something you can go on the trail still with and play around, and want the ultimate package, here it is with the Titan Adventure Ultimate.